Hi everyone, and a very warm welcome to the X70 series launch venue. Now, after the launch of X70 series, I know that you might be wondering whether X70 series have the look, the feel, and the absolute flagship features that you all are looking in your next smartphone. Now, glad that we have our dear friend and the product director of Vivo India, Mr. Vikas Tagra, with us. Hi Vikas.
Hi Miraj, how are you doing?
Great, how are you?
Thank you so much.
Tell us something about the X70 series.
Sure. I hope everyone liked the X70 series. I want to tell you, X70 series is not just a smartphone. It's about an experience that will help our consumer to unleash their canvas of creativity. So, let's talk with the talent about X70 series and its flagship features.
That sounds really impressive, Vikas. But हम सिर्फ बात नहीं करते. As you said, this product is all about experience. So let's not just talk about it, let's experience it. What do you think?
Sure, with you, let's do that.
Yeah.
But what are you up to?
Just trust me, all I can say is you need to change your outfit for this one.
Sure,
Let's go.
do that. Hey Miraj.
All right. Hi Vikas.
Hi Miraj. What's happening?
All good. So I hope you're excited for what we're gonna do. Full disclaimer, Vikas. We are going on a road trip.
But this was not in the plan.
Right? After working in the city for quite some time, I thought both of us could use a little bit of a fresh air. So that's why we are heading to mountains to push our limits and to push the limits of our newly launched X70 series.
All right, works for me as well, Miraj. Let's go for it. Miraj, would you look at that? Nature never ceases to surprise.
For sure. And I think good job to me to get us here.
Definitely, definitely.
But enough about that. What are we waiting for? Let's just start clicking out the pictures.
X70 series comes with 60x of hyper zoom to capture these moments.
Wow. What exactly does that mean?
Look at the temple.
Yeah.
Seems it's too far to capture a good shot, doesn't it?
Yes, it is.
Let me surprise you. Here you go with the 60x.
Wow.
Can you see the beauty in its true
I can
colors?
see the windows of the temple. I can see the clear division between different windows.
That's
of
the
temple.
power of 60x hyper zoom,
Wonderful.
both on our X70 Pro and X70 Pro Plus.
And I think everybody watching that right now should try this feature once you get a hand on your X70 series. Wow, very impressive. But because the trip has just begun and I have very impressive place to show you.
Let's go!
Wow, Vikas. I know we have been trekking for quite some time, but would you just look at that? Isn't it breathtaking?
This looks cinematic, Miraj. And you know what?
What?
To capture this water body in its true glory,
Yeah.
we have the right feature, which we call it as Pro Cinematic Mode in our X70 series.
Okay.
तो आइए मैं आपको इसका एक लाइव डेमो देता हूँ कि ये
Okay.
करता क्या है और इसके क्या-क्या बेहतरीन बेनिफिट्स हैं जो हमारे कंज्यूमर्स को देखने को मिलेंगे इस प्रो सिनेमैटिक मोड में. इसका मैजिक भी देख लेते हैं, राइट? तो प्रो सिनेमैटिक वीडियो के मैजिकल 3 बड़े-बड़े फीचर्स हैं.
Okay.
ओके, मैं आपको एक लाइव डेमो देता हूँ. पहले तो आपको कैमरा ऑन करना है, वीडियो रिकॉर्ड करना
जी.
है, राइट? वीडियो रिकॉर्ड करते ही आपको एक प्रो मिलेगा ऑप्शन यहाँ पे, ठीक है? जैसे ही आपने प्रो ये सिलेक्ट किया, ओके, आपके पास ये सब ऑप्शन आ जाते हैं. आप ISO, वाइट बैलेंस, सब इसको मैनुअली एडजस्ट कर सकते हैं. जैसे हमने ये वीडियो रिकॉर्ड करी, ठीक है? आपको ये नीचे की तरफ एक आइकन दिख रहा होगा.
हाँ.
इससे आप ऑडियो को एडजस्ट कर सकते हैं जैसे आपको चाहिए।
वंडरफुल।
दूसरा यही नहीं, जब आप वीडियोस रिकॉर्ड करते हो नॉर्मली लोग क्या करते हैं, अपना लेंसेज स्विचेस करते हैं।
बिल्कुल।
जूम से आप क्या करते हैं, वाइड एंगल जाते हैं, वाइड से जूम जाते हैं, मैक्रोज जाते हैं, राइट। तो ये लेंसेज जैसे आप देख पा रहे हैं इसमें, मैं इसमें वाइड एंगल से जूम चला गया, राइट। इतना आपने देखा होगा, बहुत ही आपको स्मूथ ट्रांजिशन मिला। बाकी के सब फोन्स के अंदर जब आप लेंसेज स्विच करते हैं वीडियो रिकॉर्ड करते हुए तो बहुत ही जर्की मोमेंट्स आते हैं।
बिल्कुल।
इस बार नहीं आएंगे आपको। और तीसरी बड़ी बात, अगर आप देखेंगे इसमें हम लोग ऑटो फोकस पे अगर क्लिक करते हैं आपको एक मैनुअल बार मिलेगा।
That's wonderful.
Can you see?
Yeah. And now, thank you for coming here on a really extensive trek. But I have still, the adventure has to go forward and I have a lot more things planned. Just buckle up because we're gonna have a lot of fun.
Let's do that.
Awesome.
So where to next, Miraj?
So Vikas, we are going to explore the famous market of Rishikesh and we are going to try to capture the emotions, the faces, the beautiful colors and the food of the market.
Awesome. Let's
So-
do that.
Awesome, let's go.
अब X70 सीरीज की बात करें तो एक नहीं, दो नहीं, चार हमने जाइस स्टाइल पोर्ट्रेट्स बनाए हैं हमने। नाम जानना चाहोगे?
बिल्कुल। तो एक तो हो गया बायोटार।
बायोटार जो हमने X60 सीरीज में दिया था,
ओके
एक हो गया सोनार, थर्ड हो गया आपका प्लानर
ओके।
और चौथा आपका हो गया डिस्टागन।
तो विकास, मैंने ये लॉन्च में सुना था कि कलर रिप्रोडक्शन के लिए या कलर एनहेंसमेंट के लिए या रियल कलर्स बाहर आए, उसके लिए हमने कौन सी टेक्नोलॉजी यूज़ करी है?
बहुत ही एक इंटरेस्टिंग हमने कलर्स के लिए जाइस के साथ मिलकर बनाया है, जाइस नेचुरल कलर।
ओके।
अगेन फोटो के अंदर आपको एक जाइस आइकन मिलेगा,
हाँ
आपने सिर्फ उसको ऑन करना है।
हाँ।
अब आप देख सकते हैं कलर जो हैं हमारे फ़ोन के अंदर जाइस सेलेक्ट करते, जाइस नेचुरल कलर सेलेक्ट करते ही नेचुरल हो गए हैं, राइट। रेड रेड लग रहा है, ग्रीन ग्रीन लग रहा है, ब्लू ब्लू लग रहा
आप
है।
डिस्टिंक्ट कर पा रहे हो स्क्रीन के अंदर भी एक एक कलर को। एंड आई थिंक इसका कमाल एक तो हमारे लेंस की वजह से है और दूसरा, एंड करेक्ट मी इफ आई एम रॉन्ग, इज बिकॉज ऑफ दिस एब्सोल्यूट फिनोमिनल डिस्प्ले।
राइट।
What a beautiful weather today, Vikas, isn't it?
Weather is super cool, Miraj. Why don't
है
you
ना?
play some music track?
मैं भी ये सोच रहा था, but because before that, I feel like I really want to charge my phone. By any chance, do you have a cable? Because I have forgotten mine back at home.
Just give me your phone.
All right.
With X70 Pro Plus, everything becomes wireless, Miraj. Here you go.
Wow,
Vivo
That's
got you
impressive.
covered.
that's awesome. Thanks. And now, let's head for the road trip.
Yo.
All right, because I'm very excited because we are now in Rishikesh and we are about to witness the famous Ganga Aarti of Rishikesh. But before that, let's just enjoy these views
Yeah.
and let's soak all of it in.
You know, Miraj, do you remember that we had that Zeiss T-Star coating in the main camera of X60 Pro Plus?
Yes, I do.
Now, the same Zeiss T-Star coating we have in our X70 Pro and Pro Plus, and this time we have raised the bar very, very high.
Are these available in all cameras or just specific to one
You
camera?
are bang on, my friend. So, we have got the same Zeiss T-Star coating on not just one, not two, but all the rear lenses of X70 series. When I say X70 series, mean both the phones, Pro
Wow.
and Pro Plus.
That's amazing. But actually, because ये करता क्या है? What
I
is the
know
use
you're
of-
gonna ask me,
What is the use of it?
and of course हमारे सब टैलेंट भी यही जानना चाह रहे हैं,
Exactly.
राइट। तो जाइस टी स्टार कोटिंग, जैसे कि हमने पहले भी बताया था, ये लाइट रिफ्लेक्टिविटी को कम करता है, घोस्टिंग को रिड्यूस करता है, ताकि आपकी जो ग्रेट नाइट स्टोरीज हैं उम्दा बेहतरीन रह सके जैसे कि वो हैं, राइट। सो नाइट में यही नहीं, इसमें एक जाइस टी स्टार कोटिंग का एक बहुत ही डिस्टिंक्टिव फीचर है जिसका नाम है प्योर नाइट व्यू।
Okay.
उससे आपके सब नाइट फ्री शॉट्स क्या हो जाते हैं, उसको गारंटी देते हैं कि वो ग्लेयर फ्री रहेंगे। चलो मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ लाइव शॉट करके। नाउ लुक एट द घोस्टिंग, देयर इज नो घोस्टिंग, देयर इज नो रिफ्लेक्टिविटी।
There is no glare.
या
तो मतलब अब मैं संतुष्ट हूँ कि द गंगा आरती पिक्चर्स are gonna come absolutely clear with no ghosting, no glare. and will look phenomenal.
Right.
Why do I need a big bulky camera now? I don't have a reason for it. Ganga Aarti shuru hone wali hai. So let's go and let's you put this phone to use and let's click some bang on
Sure,
pictures.
let's do that. Miraj, you always have a lot of questions for me. Today, I would like to ask you, as a young millennial user, what does a smartphone means to you?
Well, that's a good question, Vikas. Well, for me, a smartphone is a window to the world, to my world. I feel it is the greatest tool, a tool that helps me capture all this and a lot more and share it with the people that I really love. I also feel that a smartphone is the greatest tool of 21st century and I'm ever so grateful to be a small part in this big revolution.
That's quite impressive, Miraj. I really like your thoughts.
Thanks. So Vikas, one thing that I heard in the launch is about V1 chip. So I'm really excited to know more about it. What exactly is that chip?
I'm glad, Miraj, you pointed it out.
Yeah,
We all know Vivo is known for its camera innovation,
of course.
right? With X50 series, to talk about, we brought one of its kind gimbal.
Yeah,
X60 series, we collaborated with Zeiss and brought a lot of exciting features, right? With X70 series, we are gonna bring something which is again unheard, unseen, and unprecedented in the market. What is that? Our own independent professional imaging chip. We call it as V1 chip.
wonderful. तो ये करता क्या है?
मुझे पता था आप जरूर पूछेंगे ये करता क्या है. तो बहुत कुछ करता है ये. जैसे कि हम बात करें, अब हम इस ऐसी जगह पे हैं जहाँ पे there is hardly any light, right?
Yeah.
So, with V1 chip, all these scenarios can be brought into life,
All right.
right? Because with Vivo V1 chip, you can manually adjust the light balance, the exposure value, while shooting your extreme night photography.
Okay.
You can actually get to preview before you take the photographs.
Okay.
You can get to know the time for the shots.
Okay.
All these things are enabled through Vivo V1 chip. And we call this magic as extreme night vision. Real-time extreme night vision, to be precise. Can you see this extreme night vision?
Yes.
It automatically detects that this is the extreme dark environment, right? But still, if you look at, you can capture this.
And it shows me the time as well.
Right. And you can actually, before you take these pictures, you can preview. You can adjust the light balance also. You tap on it. Can you see the bar?
Yes.
You can just tap on it to increase the brightness. Right?
Yeah.
You can actually decrease it if you want to be looking like a natural night picture. That's what we call it as professional photography.
Wonderful. And with that, I think we had quite a day today, and there's a lot of adventure waiting for us for tomorrow. But I think we should take at least a little bit of rest, and I hope that for our crew, this is also a sign of relief.
Hi everyone. So Vikas will be joining us in a while, but till Vikas comes, let us all experience the ultra smooth performance and high-end gaming experience on the Snapdragon 888 Plus that we get on Vivo X70 Pro Plus. All right.
Miraj, चलें?
Just 1 second, I'm almost on number 1.
क्या यार? You've come all the way to Rishikesh to play games.
But the experience is so immersive, sir.
Let me show you the real adventure today. Come, आ जाओ.
All right. All right. All right.
Hi everyone. and we are here at the river rafting point thanks to Vikas. And Vikas, honestly, I am a bit scared.
Why? Why, Miraj? Look at the beauty. We have all the safety precautions in place, and we're gonna capture lot of videos and capture these moments of life as memories with our X70 Pro Plus.
Wait, you're telling me that we're gonna bringing the phone with us on this journey?
Why not, Miraj? We have IP68 on our X70 Pro Plus.
Wonderful, wonderful. Let's do it then.
तो मिराज देखो वीडियोस कैसे आपकी अल्ट्रा स्टेबल आने वाली है। इस बार हमने बहुत ही नया फीचर एक लेकर आए हैं, होराइजन लेवल स्टेबलाइजेशन। यहाँ से आपने सिलेक्ट कर लिया और आपकी वीडियोस, बच्चों के बारे में याद है जब अपसाइड डाउन आपको वो घुमा देते थे स्टेबल वीडियोस के लिए, तो अब वो X70 सीरीज़ में कोई दिक्कत नहीं आने वाली। आप अपने फ़ोन को 360 डिग्री रोटेट कर दो, तब भी अगर आपकी वीडियोस जो होंगी 360 डिग्री रोटेट किया और फ़ोन की जो वीडियोस हैं वो स्टेबल रहेंगी। कैसा
I'm
लगा?
Is the phone okay?
Don't worry, Miraj, don't worry. I told you, it is IP68. It works in all terrains.
Oh my god, that's amazing.
So all your oops moments are taken care of.
Wow, Vikas, you keep surprising me with all these great videos. Now I'm in great anticipation of what we're gonna do in our next adventure, the wildlife trail. Let's go.
Let's go.
Alright, Vikas. So where we are going next, we might want to skip our old car and switch to something a little bit more rugged, little bit more thrilling, and a little bit more adventurous. So that's where this come in.
Okay.
So I have something different planned for us. We will be going deep and dense into the forest to experience an adventure and to push our limits and hopefully the limits of our X70 series. What do you think?
This seems little unusual to me, but I must tell you, as I said, X70 series is all about experience.
Yeah.
This is also seems to be a very, very experience full of thrill. And I must tell you that with the gimbal, ultra sensing gimbal X Magic, we're gonna rock together.
Wow, Vikas. Look at this place. हम सिटी लाइफ से कितनी दूर आ गए हैं and it is very peaceful. But मेरा एक concern है यहाँ पे. I'm sure the place is very beautiful, but अगर आपने roads देखी हो, it is very ऊबड़-खाबड़. My question to you with that is, even in these bad roads, will our gimbal work? क्या हमारा gimbal काम करेगा?
बिल्कुल मिराज, डोंट वरी। हमारा जिम्बल का मैजिक इन्हीं बम्पी रोड्स के लिए, इन्हीं उबड़ खाबड़ रोड्स के लिए बना हुआ है। तो अब आपका जो वीडियोस की जो कंसर्न है वो अब अपने फ़ोन जो आपके पास X70 Pro है इसमें वीडियो ऑन कीजिए, अल्ट्रा सेंसिंग जिम्बल को ऑन कीजिए, बिकॉज ये इंडस्ट्री का फर्स्ट फ़ोन है जिसमें हमने सोनी IMX 766V सेंसर जिम्बल के साथ दिया है।
Okay.
तो अब आपकी वीडियो जो है रॉक सॉलिड आने वाली है। और मेरे पास जो X70 Pro Plus है इसके अंदर जो वीडियोस हैं वो इसमें अगर आपको वाइड एंगल में करना है तो वहाँ पर जिम्बल इनेबल होता है। तो बेसिकली जो जिम्बल का मैजिक है दोनों फोन्स में है और अल्ट्रा सेंसिंग के साथ आपको X70 Pro में मिलता है। वाइड एंगल में वीडियो करनी हो तो Pro Plus। चलिए देखते हैं, लेट्स गो।
Miraj, let's experience the next level of gimbal stabilization.
मज़ा आ रहा है ना?
हाँ, बहुत ज़्यादा.
इन बम्पी राइड से भी जिम्बल कमाल नहीं है।
Yeah.
उम्दा रिकॉर्डिंग को मिलने वाली है जिम्बल स्टेबलाइजेशन। इस बार पहली बार हमने X70 Pro के अंदर जिम्बल के साथ हमने अल्ट्रा सेंसिंग सेंसर डाला है, सोनी IMX 766V।
यहाँ पे people might think कि it is all very smooth. And we know how much bumps we are getting for this. I see how contrasting this is in comparison to how the Jeep is moving right now. Like there are two different things. Here it seems like it's a walk in the park, but we know the real deal. that we're feeling. I feel isse aage I should be driving it myself.
Are you sure?
Well, you have trusted me for this trip. I would like you to trust me one more time.
But this is not the same car which we drove from Delhi.
Yes, true, but what's the worst that could happen?
Okay, I trust you. You take the car, I'll take the gimbal.
All right, let's do this.
Absolutely. Let's go ahead.
Do you see that blue bird there?
Yes, yes, yes.
Let me click a picture.
Please capture. I think it's on your side. Go for it.
Damn, Vikas. I got really nice pictures, but my phone is all out of power.
Come on, Miraj.
I forgot to charge my phone when I had the chance. Classic me, I know.
I have a trick up my sleeve. Just place your phone on top of it
All right.
and see the power of reverse charging on our X70 Pro Plus.
That is really impressive.
Great.
And very, very handy, I must say. Especially in these conditions.
है ना उम्दा feature?
बहुत बढ़िया. Oh wait, there's a bird again.
Come on, Miraj. Charge तो होने दे.
Well, what a great experience and a great trip.
Absolutely, I echo that.
And especially the leg massage that we're getting right now from nature.
Literally enjoying it.
So, before I get into anything, I would like to just show my appreciation on how meticulously you and your team have planned this product, keeping in mind the needs of a vlogger or a traveler just like me or many others. With features such as 60x hyper zoom that helps you capture your subject much closer and in my language gets you more intimate with your subject, to amazing features like Zeiss portraits that we can see here that helps you create these phenomenal results. And on top of that, the Zeiss T-Star coating is one of the most phenomenal invention where you get to click absolutely breathtaking images in harsh light conditions, both at daytime as well as at night.
Absolutely. And Miraj, all these wonderful camera capabilities are not done true justice without a stunning display.
Absolutely.
In our X70 Pro Plus, we have an industry-leading WQHD Plus resolution together with 1 billion colors. Can you beat that? That's the flagship level. So now, not only you can enjoy your camera experience, but also enjoy the latest episode of Money Heist or your live IPL matches are going to be much more extra special.
The ultra sensing gimbal stabilization of X70 Pro is obviously, we have seen it before and it is working amazingly well this time as well.
It's magical.
It is magical. And the game changer, as I'd like to call, is the
60x hyper zoom.
60x hyper zoom as well as the horizon level stabilization.
Yes.
Which is, I think I've never seen horizon level stabilization in any product or any smartphone before this. And I think that is what makes us, again, the leaders for innovation.
So Miraj, I hope I have answered all your question of X70 series.
Yes, absolutely. So I'm really happy and thankful for that to you. So my queries have been answered, but there still may be some queries that you all might be having from your end. If that is the case, feel free to reach out to us and comment your queries down below. And we will be seeing you guys very soon with new innovations, new technologies, and more fun stuff. Until then, take care. Bye-bye. Sayonara. See you next time. Stay safe.
Stay healthy.
Thanks.